This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bobbi Wood. Beautifully renovated townhouse on Lake Edward. Fish from your private backyard. Located on a cul-de-sac, this townhome has new lighting, carpet, and fresh paint throughout. Exterior wood trim was replaced and vinyl wrapped. Roof is less than 4 years old. HVAC, stainless steel appliances, 2 years old. Water heater replaced in the last year. New storm door, paint on front door and shutters, even a new mailbox. Move-in ready. Close to shopping, parks, interstate and bases. Call for your appointment today for more information. Review the details below.